Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Motorwish. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be Mahindra 300. So it's looking gorgeous from the outside. You can see this is massive grille. So let's go in and shoot out. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and let's start video. Hey guys, you can see here, this is an engine boot. So this is a diesel engine. So you can see here the cover of the engine. So it is completely covered, no hydraulic suspension, and here you can see battery, and here is the engine of this 300. So let's come to the headlights of 300. So here you can see the bulbs, these are the projected, and these are again DRLs. So here you can see running DRLs, and completely it is, you can see it is round around. Here you can see the fog lamps. It's a square design and good looking. And coming to here you can see the Tiger grill, the small size of Tiger grill, we can say. Here you can see the number plate placement here, and the engine outlook is completely clear from here, we can say. And this is silver finished, piano finished, and here you can see the lines. Here is the tuning hook, it is completely fixed in it, good looking. And the color is not white, and it's like some mixed cream. And overall the front, the bumper is huge. And let's go to, so here you can see the tire of the 300. So this is the MRF tire, and the size profile of the tire is 215, 55, 17 inches tires. These are the 17 inches tires, massive enough. And here you can see the shock absorber. Sorry friends, the vehicle is dusty. And disc brake and Mahindra logo. And these are the alloy wheels, and these are 10-spoke alloy wheels. It is very nice of the alloy wheels and silver finished. And coming to side profile, so here you can see the side view mirror. Here you can see the indicators, and this is a window off, it's not so big. And keyless entry, here you can see. So this is the door of the, so first is first, walk around. So there is no huge designs at all. So you can see here, as it is plain design, the only one design, you can see the line of the sharp finished line. Door handles are large enough, and the wheelbase of tire is very large, and the tire profile is very high, I can say. Here you can see the Mahindra logo and wiper, rear wiper, tail lights, LEDs, and here you can see the LED lights. And here you can reverse light indicator, XUV 300 badge, Mahindra logo, W8, this is a version of W8. And here you can see the boot of the XUV 300. So it is not so large, and it's a massive, it will fit of 2 suitcases, not so big, you can see here. And here you can see the spare wheel, it has fixed in it, so it is very difficult to take it out. And jack has fixed in it. So overall good finish, plastics are good, not so hard in vehicle. Here you can see the sensors. So this is the bumper of rear. Here you can see the camera and lights. This is also a keyless entry of boot, and massive enough roof light, completely rolling, and no shark fin antenna, it's a normal antenna. And let's go to the other profile. Here you can see the roof lights, and let's sit red. So here you can see the red doors, piano black finish, and power window, chrome finish door handles, massive look. And the sharp, it's a cross cut very much, and but also a good. And here you can see the bottle holder, some magazine holder stuff, 1 liter bottle, easily it will fix. And here you can see the space of rear door, so it's not so large. And speakers, here you can see. So let's sit in the rear. So guys, here you can see the rear seat. Under thigh support is lacking more, so under thigh support is not so good. And seats are comfortable, and the fiber finished, so it's not like resin at all. And fiber finished, no AC vents back, very hot inside now right now. And here you can see the holder and light center, it is for rear. And here you can see the 3 headrests. So it is nice finish, 3 headrest, so good finishing. And here you can see the armrest, so 2 cup holders, armrest. Seats are comfortable, but the under thigh support is not so good. And headroom, massive enough for above 6 feet. So windows are large enough rear, and front it is too small, I can say. No AC vents, and here you can see the transmission has came some up, and magazine holder. Overall 3 people can sit easily. So coming to front, so let's go to front and see. Keyless entry, and here you can see the door light of opening the doors. So here you can see the power windows, silver finish, plastic, good piano black finished, and completely plastic finish, no cloth. And here you can see again chrome handles, door hand is chrome, and these are the side view mirrors of control system. And here you can see one half-liter bottle and one completely 1 liter bottle of fit in it, and magazine holder. And here you can see the door holder, and there you can see the finishing of entering the door. So it has to become in the light of 300 missing out. So no electric adjustable, it's a manual adjustable of seats front. Coming to the hind, it's a manual transmission, 6-speed. Let's start. So opening the side view mirrors, and AC is on. So coming to the first is first, this is 10 inches touchscreen. Yeah, it's working. Mahindra Rise, you can see entry of Mahindra Rise. It's too late, warning, some features may be available for while drive. So overall the cabin is airy feeling, and you can see the colors of cabin, it's nice. And here you can see the steering, Mahindra logo, airbag, and these are the
junction, bear right.
So navigation is on, first is first off. So here you can see the steering, these are the audio controls, these are the cruise control. So let's check here the start stop button. Here it's a auto start stop button. Here these are the headlight control systems, these are the AC vents of adjustable, 4 AC vents front, not rear. So here you can see the armrest, center armrest. So there you can see the space in the center armrest, massive enough, but the cross cuttings are so much. Here you can see the 2 cup holders and handbrake. These are the manual transmission gear, and this is auto climate control. So here you can see auto climate control. AC is massive coming. So overall the vehicle is good, I can say. And these are the memory functions front, and heat up system, on off, temperature mode, dual, and overall it is a automatic climate control system. Here you can see black and white combination of colors interior, and seats are comfortable, I can say, but it's a cushion is hard somehow. And overall the view of driving seat is completely enough. And here you can see the dashboard design, very cuts and cross cutting. Here you can see some stuff to keep the paper. Open to the glove box, so decent size, not so big, only single glove box. Auto dimming, there is a door lock system here, and access holder. Here you can see mirror with a light, and coming to here, mirror with a light, good. And here is a Bluetooth speaker when calling, and this is a touchscreen system, and home, radio, phone, navigation. So you can see navigation, phone, radio, etc. program. So you can see the design of the interior dashboard here. So nothing much, routine design, but so here you can see the Mahindra, and steering feel is good. And here you can see the silver finish plastic. The plastics on this car are good, I can say, but on the doors it is not so good. Overall interior dashboard is good. And here you can see the RPM meter, speedometer. And so let's check trip A, average driving, door open. So here you can see it has a voice control system also, you can be operate from here. And wireless charging here, let's check is it working or not. Actually my phone is not fitting, iPhone 11. So here you can see 12 volt charging socket, again manually it has came, wireless charging also came. Pedals are not so big, and overall it's a manual adjustable seats. Front both seats have a ventilator seats, heat up system, and cool. AC is coming good. And Overall the vehicle is good. I can say I can give as 10 out of 6 of interior and exterior design, and nothing much. So no sunroof at all. So finishing of roof is nice, velvet finish, soft. And so it's a routine design of Mahindra, we can know as Scorpios XUV 500 as came through the 300 design here. So Mahindra is a routine design of instrument cluster and touchscreen system interior. So seats are comfort, but somehow cushion is hard, I have said already, and mats are good. And the EcoSense, Android, Apple CarPlay, phone, navigation, car info, settings, fuel info is coming 12 kilometers per liter, reverse camera system, service info, DRLs, etc. Overall the touchscreen is smooth and nothing much of options in this. So ecosystem, here you can see 100 in score of average 100. It is speed, gear selection, acceleration. So here you can see the as driving mode, so it will change the ecosystems in it. And here you can see it has not visible at all USB aux charging again. So here you can see these are the keys of XUV 300 Mahindra, and keys are very heavy, I can say. So design is nice. Keys, here is the engine start stop button. So here is the start stop automatic. Overall the interior is good, I can say. Steering feel is nice. Here you can see the lights, and other side as the wipers, and good, I can say. So let's off AC. So AC as sound is big. So friends, overall the interior and exterior of this vehicle is this, and soonly I will be reviewing the test drive of this XUV 300 of Mahindra, and I will show how the performance of vehicle, speed, pickup, mileage, price, etc. in the next video. So this is the interior and exterior video. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. I will review the videos soon as much as more. So please support me guys, and thank you for watching. Please like, share to your friends. Thank you so much.